ये कुछ अरसा पहले मैंने डी खान में नवाब अल नवाज खान के कब्र पे एक व्लॉग बनाया। बिलीव मी, अगेंस्ट माय एक्सपेक्टेशन वो हजारों लोगों ने देखा और बड़े मुझे मैसेजेस आए कि नवाब साहब के बारे में कोई बताएं। नवाब साहब के बारे में जब मैं वाइस चांसलर था, मैंने हर वाइस चांसलर का एक टैबलेट लगाया था, उसकी लाइफ स्केच, तो नवाब साहब का भी लगाया था। Nawab al-Nawaz Khan. He was the founder Vice-Chancellor of Gomal University and played an active role in its establishment. His father, Ahmad Nawaz Khan, and grandfather Aladat Khan were Nawab. He received his early education in Mission High School, D.I. Khan, and Shimla. He received his Bharat Law in 1931 from Lincoln Inn, England. He was elected as member of Legislative Assembly in 1932, and whenever election held, he retained his seat till 1955. He remained Speaker of Assembly from 1946 to 1955. He served as a member of Federal Public Service Commission and chairman of West Pakistan Textbook Board.